Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can uninstall Marvel Rivals from your PC. So the process is really simple. So without any further ado, let's start our quick video. So you just need to go to your store. Once you come over here, then you can search for the Marvel Rivals in that place, and you can see this is the completely free games. You can use it in Steam. So I already installed this one, so I will go over here to the download into the library. Once I come over here, then at that place you will able to see this one. So you just need to go to the manage. Once you come over here, then in that panel or sections you will find out an option called uninstall the game. So I don't uninstall it yet, so that's why I'm not able to see that one, but the process is really simple. You just need to select this game and then click on your keyword right button, and then you will get this manage option. Just go over here and then you will find out this uninstall options. So I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.